awesome people. We gotta fix this. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. It's been 4 years since I became a video creator. Thank you everybody for watching the videos. It's been a long day's night, but we're rocking it. Welcome back to the Solar Stead. I'm still getting a lot of things in. I got a whole package of sterno, and for just such an occasion, probably because of the storm there in Texas, I just found out marigolds, you can eat the flowers or you can dry them out and make it a tea. I'm still getting a lot of seeds in from all over the United States. These are all antiviral herbs. I just found out recently, peas, your number one source of protein other than meat. So I got a bunch of packages of peas that I'm going to get. And you can see I just put on the rock wool. I got a large package, and these trays hold 72. So I'll be planting up. I got 3 ready to go. I might go get some more because I got more seeds than I know what to. I've been collecting seeds all winter long. So yes, I need to do more with the solar. And I had to unplug the refrigerator, plug it into the outlet the other day because we had a couple days of clouds. So I was supposed to plug it in this morning into the solar. So the solar batteries are fully charged, definitely by now. It will be for probably the rest of the summer. But yeah, I got a little work. I got to show you something. I got to take you to the garden. I got to pause it. I'm still growing the garden. It's windy, but they're beautiful. So I just had it covered some of the time. Sometimes the wind blew it over. It's pretty much good enough to eat. I got chard, rainbow chard. What is that, guys? Is that collard greens? I got several more over here. It's like a cabbage in there. We got, I forget the name of it, but that purple kale. Here it is. I've never done this before. Picking broccoli. I'm going to take a bite of broccoli in March. Better than the store. So you can see my greenhouse did not go up. Hold on, we're going to pause that airplane. The garlic chives made it. They were not uncovered, or they were not covered up. The beets made it. Nice purple leaves. Thyme, antiviral herb. Still bright green. Still alive. I need more time to get more videos out. Oh, that's pungent. Wow. Can't catch the virus now. But anyway, there's going to be tons of things coming up. And continue joining me on these many adventures. Whew. 4 years, video creator. I'm happy, I'm stoked. See what happens next. I'm expecting more seeds coming in. I'm expecting a lot more. I'm thinking today I'm gonna go up. I need to go up, order me probably 4 to 6 yards of screen compost, cover the garden. I'm gonna need a couple bales of straw, cover the earth. Mother Nature does not need to be naked. So, and over the straw, probably put some wood chips in. Gotta let that break down every time it rains. It's compost tea, baby. And I'll see you. Thank you, everybody, on the next video. I need to do a shout out to a lot of my dedicated people. Probably the next video. And you have sunshiny day.